the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola One 5G for quick-up wireless. So this is a new phone for quick-up wireless. It's available now for $259.99 if you're a new customer and switching to Cricket. It's available in Oxford blue there, so pretty nice looking phone. So yeah, this is a pretty nice decent budget smartphone here. If you guys want 5G for cheap, the Motorola One 5G is the phone for you. So it's $259.99 for new customers. Alright, so it's current. So I guess it's $259. Doesn't matter if you're a new customer or not. So it's $259. So yeah, it's available in Oxford blue there. So I guess pretty nice. I guess so there's the front of it. You guys have your dual front facing cameras there, which is very nice. Earpiece is up here, and you guys have your power and volume keys on the right side of the phone here. I do like the wallpaper, very nice and colorful. The left side of the phone has your micro SD and SIM card slot, and I think your volume key is on the left side of the phone, I think. You know what? No, it's not. Your volume key is on the right side of the phone, along with your power button. Your power button is also your fingerprint sensor as well. Also, on the back of the Motorola One 5G, you guys have it looks like 3 or 4 cameras. I can't tell if it's 3 or 4. I think it's 4 cameras on the back here. So it's quad camera setup. You guys also have dual LED flash. Right here, your flash is right here. Your camera setup is right here. Your Motorola logo is right here. So yeah, so like I said, you do have a fingerprint sensor on this phone. That's where your power button is. You guys can also pay monthly for this phone as well, for $11 a month, as 0% APR with the phone. If you guys want to pay monthly for this phone, which it's up to you if you guys want to pay for retail price or monthly. So yeah. So the Motorola One 5G, of course, has 5G. Of course, that's the main selling point. That's the main selling point for this phone here. It's 5G connectivity. Screen size 6.7 inches, Full HD plus cinema vision display, 48 megapixel quad camera system, ultra wide selfie cameras, 2-day battery, up to 128 gigabytes of built-in storage, side mounted fingerprint sensor, narrow streamlined design. So pretty cool. So it says here, believe the hype and experience 5G in style with the Motorola One 5G. Capture the perfect picture for every moment with their 48 megapixel quad camera system. Fit more in your selfies with an ultra wide lens and bring it all to life on the 6.7 inch cinema vision display. Y'all gotta see the specs of that. I just went over the specs. Pretty nice looking spec sheet there. Features 4 cameras every moment. With 4 cameras, capture the perfect photo for every moment. 48 megapixel main sensor delivers 4 times better light sensitivity for sharper and brighter photos in the light. Fit more into each shot with the ultra wide lens, or use the depth sensor for creating beautifully blurred portraits. And lastly, the macro vision camera brings you 5 times closer, so you can see the details you might miss with a standard lens. Power to stay connected. Break free from charging cables and power outlets. The Motorola One 5G has a massive 5,000 mAh battery, so you can go 2 full days without a charge. And when you do need a boost, Turbo Power lets you fuel up fast, and Turbo Power lets you fuel up fast with hours of power and just minutes of charging. Fast and efficient performance. From browsing the web to streaming videos, feel the quick response time in everything you do. The 5G optimized octa-core processor is built for speed and efficiency whether you are gaming, streaming, or anything in between. So the specs on this phone, like I said, are pretty good. This is a budget 5G phone, but the specs on it are really good. So it does run Android 11, which is very nice. So that's a one, Android 11, so pretty cool. Your dimensions are 6.62 inches height, 2.91 inches width, and 0.38 inches depth. Memory is 128 gigabytes of storage. It's 4 gigabytes of RAM, I believe it is 4 gigabytes of RAM. Micro SD card slot up to 1 terabyte. Your connectivity options are 5G, of course, Wi-Fi 8 and 211, ABGN and AC. Dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C charging, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling, and you guys also have fast charging with turbo power charging. The front-facing camera is a 16 megapixel plus an 8 megapixel camera. Rear camera has a 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 and 2 megapixels. The 48 megapixel camera is your main. The 8 megapixel ultra wide, the 5 megapixel macro lens. I'm gonna say the 2 megapixel. I'm gonna say the 2 megapixel is your depth sensor. I'm gonna say that. And you have an octa-core processor. I don't know what processor it is. Probably a Snapdragon processor. So, they got accessories for this phone. So, you guys got some cases here and stuff like that. If you guys want to get accessories for your Motorola One 5G, go to Amazon and type in Motorola One 5G for your accessories. So yeah. So there you guys have it. Cricket Wireless now has the Motorola One 5G available now in Oxford Blue. It's $259.99 for retail price, no contrast and stuff like that. Or it's $11 a month with the phone. So if you guys want to pay monthly, you guys can do that. So if you guys are looking to get a 5G phone on the cheap, the Motorola One 5G is the phone for you. It's a very nice looking phone. I don't like the blue color, I don't. But overall, the phone looks very nice. It's pretty nice specs for what it is. And I think it's worth every penny of the $259.99 price tag. So, yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.